Ever wonder why you always feel tired no matter how much you sleep? You get 8 hours, sometimes 9, and you still wake up exhausted, still dragging yourself through the day, still procrastinating everything, still feeling like your brain is running on 1% battery. And the worst part, you don't even know why. Is it your diet, your sleep schedule, your habits, or are you just built differently? I'm going to show you 7 real reasons why you feel drained all the time and exactly how to fix each one. Simple, no fluff. Let's get into it. 1. You're waking up and immediately destroying your energy. Most guys wake up and grab their phone within the first 2 minutes. Notifications, Instagram, YouTube, news, group chats. And the moment that happens, your brain goes from 0 to 100 instantly, before you've even had water, before your body is even fully awake. And here's the thing, your brain doesn't love that. It actually spikes your stress hormone, cortisol, way earlier than it's supposed to. When that happens too early and too fast, your energy burns out faster. You feel wired but tired at the same time. Drained by noon, exhausted by 3, wide awake at midnight. Sound familiar? The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. For the first 15 minutes after waking, don't touch your phone, that's it. Get up, drink some water, open a window. Let your brain actually wake up before you throw the entire internet at it. Try it tomorrow, just 15 minutes. The difference will catch you off guard. 2. You're dehydrated, and you don't even realize it. You just spent 8 hours without a single sip of water. Your body is dehydrated every single morning by default. That's just biology. And what do most guys do the second they wake up? Coffee, which makes the dehydration worse, because coffee actually pushes water out of your body. So you start the day already low on water, then immediately take something that drains more, and then you wonder why you feel foggy and slow all morning. Dehydration doesn't always feel like thirst. Sometimes it just feels like low energy, heavy head, difficulty thinking, zero motivation. Your brain is mostly water. When it's even slightly dry, it slows down. Everything feels harder than it should. The fix: drink 2 glasses of water before you touch anything else in the morning. Before coffee, before your phone, before food, just water. Do this for a week. Your mornings will genuinely feel different. 3. Your afternoon crash is not random. You're causing it. 3 p.m. every day. Like clockwork. You can't focus. You feel heavy. You do anything for a nap. Here's exactly why that's happening. When you eat something high in sugar or simple carbs, white bread, rice, chips, a sugary drink, your blood sugar shoots up fast. Your body panics and releases a ton of insulin to bring it back down. It overshoots. Blood sugar drops too low. And when blood sugar drops, your energy drops with it. Hard, fast. That's your 3 p.m. crash. Right there. It's not your job making you tired. It's what you ate at lunch. The fix is simple. Start every meal with protein. Eggs, chicken, fish, anything. Protein slows everything down. Your blood sugar rises gradually instead of spiking. No spike means no crash. Your energy stays steady throughout the day. 1 meal change, massive difference. 4. You're breathing wrong all day. Okay, hear me out on this one because it sounds weird, but it's very real. Most guys breathe from their chest. Short, shallow, quick little breaths all day. And when you breathe like that, your body actually thinks it's stressed. Shallow breathing keeps your nervous system in a low-level panic mode all day long. That constant background stress burns through your energy without you even realizing it. You're exhausted, but you don't know why. You feel anxious for no reason. Your sleep is light and restless. You never fully feel calm. And here's what gets people. This doesn't feel like bad breathing. It just feels like how breathing is. The fix: twice a day, morning and before bed. Take 10 slow, deep breaths. Breathe into your belly, not your chest. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, breathe out for 6. That's it, 2 minutes. It physically switches your nervous system from stress mode into recovery mode. Do it once right now and you'll feel the difference immediately. 5. Your body is quietly fighting itself. This one sounds dramatic, but stay with me. When you eat a lot of processed food, drink regularly, don't move much, and live under constant stress, your body develops something called chronic inflammation. And what that basically means is your immune system is running in the background 24 hours a day fighting stuff it shouldn't have to fight. That takes energy, a lot of it. And while your body is burning resources on that, you get whatever's left, which isn't much. This is why some guys do everything right. They sleep, they work out, but still feel constantly drained. Their body is spending enormous energy on inflammation they don't even know they have. The fix isn't complicated. Cut out the junk food as much as you can. Go for a walk every day, even 20 minutes. Walking is genuinely one of the best things you can do for inflammation. Eat real food more often than processed food. Simple, boring, but it actually works. 6. Your iron or vitamin D is low. This is a big one. And most guys never find out about it because they never check. Low iron means your blood can't carry enough oxygen around your body. The result is that deep, heavy, bone-tired feeling that doesn't go away no matter how much you sleep. Low vitamin D, which most men have because we spend most of our time indoors, affects how your cells produce energy at the most basic level. You could be doing everything else right and still feel permanently drained because your body is missing one thing it fundamentally needs. The fix: get a basic blood test done. Just check your iron and vitamin D. If they're low, fixing them can literally change how you feel within weeks. For vitamin D, get actual sunlight, not through a window. Real sunlight on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes a day. For iron, eggs, red meat, lentils, spinach, pumpkin seeds. Simple foods, real results. 7. Your brain is exhausted, and that feels exactly like physical tiredness. Here's the last one, and honestly, for a lot of guys, this is the main one. Mental exhaustion and physical exhaustion feel identical. Same heaviness, same inability to start anything, same fog, same feeling of just not wanting to exist for a while. But the cause is completely different. You're consuming information all day: social media, videos, news, group chats, and your brain is processing all of it constantly. By the time you need to actually focus on something that matters, your brain is already spent. And then the procrastination starts, and then comes the guilt, and then the self-hate, and then more scrolling to escape the guilt. And the cycle just keeps going. Your brain needs actual rest during the day, not just sleep at night. The fix: spend 30 minutes every day doing absolutely nothing digital. No phone, no content, no background noise. Just you, walking, sitting outside, eating without a screen. It sounds boring, but that boredom is actually your brain recovering. And protect your mornings. Do your most important task before you open any app, before your brain has been handed off to everyone else's agenda. The truth: you're not lazy. You're running a high-performance machine on the wrong fuel, with no maintenance, and then being surprised when it breaks down every day. Fix your mornings. Drink water first. Eat protein. Breathe properly. Move your body. Rest your brain. Get your levels checked. None of this is complicated. None of it is expensive. But all of it together, consistently, will make you feel like a completely different person within 2 to 3 weeks. The version of you that wakes up and actually wants to do things, he's not a different person. He just fixed the basics. Start tomorrow.